That's right. And as we've been driving up here, we haven't seen that rainfall yet. Still expecting that to come in the next couple of hours or so. But we did feel a lot of that wind kind of bouncing the storm tracker around as we were traveling on 44 and here as we are now in Mount Vernon. But some of those local insurance agents I spoke to in Springfield say that one of the most important things to remember is that natural flooding is not covered by your homeowner's insurance. Now, flood insurance is a separate policy which covers water damage from natural rising groundwater. It's different from homeowners insurance, which might cover water damage from a broken pipe or other things that would go wrong in your home. Owner and agent with Bowman Insurance Group, Jess Bowman, tells me depending on the risk level, some mortgage lenders will require insurance, especially if you are in a high risk flood zone. But flood insurance can create a peace of mind for anyone.
I would recommend if you are, worried about it or you want to get a quote on your flood insurance, we can always quote that for you. I mean, it could be, a few $100s a year for peace of mind in that type of situation if you're not in a high risk flood zone.
Now, Bowman says that anyone can and should consider flood insurance because you never know when it's going to happen or where, but it is important to talk with a trusted insurance agent about what is best for you and your home. Reporting live in Lawrence County, Bethany French, Ozarks First.